Trying to win a VR 500 by Yaesu, a little shortwave receiver. I think it goes from 500 kcs up to 1.3 gigahertz. Current bid is $89 plus $6.33 shipping. I got a maximum bid of $105. I don't know if I want to pay much more than that for it. They're only $200 when they were new. Anyways, I'm going to wait to the last minute, place my bid, and hopefully I'm not outbid. Okay, I did some research while this thing's counting down. 1 minute, 45 seconds left. I'm going to make my maximum bid $125. It's already at $105.50, so I don't know if I'll win it, but if I don't, oh well. Okay, I went as high as $125. Somebody outbid it. 10 seconds. I placed my bid at 15 seconds at $125. $132.50 came back, so they must have had a automatic high bid like $150 or something. I don't know. It's a cool little receiver, but I don't think it's worth much more than that. Used prices showed it only goes for like $139.